Alright, today I have to show you something. Today it is, well, today it is July 18th, 2008, and it is raining out here in Ramsey, Minnesota. Close the blinds now. Anyways, these are all my pinballs and games and stuff like that. Anyways, today what we have on display here in my arcade and stuff. Today what I have on display on a rainy day is the 1956 Coca-Cola machine. And it doesn't really work. But what it does is, there seems to be a bottle opener right here. Look, I didn't want that stuff on my finger. There's a bottle opener right here. And it can open the tops off here. If there's a can of Coke in this refrigerator, I can demonstrate for you. There's no Coke. Okay then, there's no Coke. So I can't demonstrate then. Okay then, so I guess I can't demonstrate. Anyways, but my grandpa won this for some particular reason. And, right here is where they would hold all the old Coke bottles and stuff. It's because they were in... Oh, the phone's ringing. It's because in case they were in, back then they were in glasses. If you know what I mean. So, yeah, and squeeze tightly through here. There's the hand with the Coke. Guy holding the Coke bottle, if you can see. It's my 1994 Devil machine. The lady in the Chevy. Squeeze through here, there's the hand again. Probably see better than you can see before. Then up here it says, "Here's a Coke for you." And you actually look up. You can see we have a 1998 Coca-Cola tin and champagne glass and not sure what that is, but it had something similar with Chevy. And so, yeah, and these cost only 10 cents back then. So, welcome to, I hope you like it, and I have to say welcome to the 1956 Coca-Cola option. I'm just showing you. And my uncle actually has one of these babies in North Carolina, and but it looks a lot different than this. But it actually has the white violet and white here and here, but it's from the same year that this one is from. Even though this one is from 1956, it may look like it's from the 1940s, but the outlook, it never changed. So yeah, it's from the 50s. It may look like it's from the 1940s, but the outlook, it never changed, okay? Just to let you know, if you people are confused with the dates. So, yeah. That's all I have time to show you today, and I'll be back with more videos. Like, I'll be in the 160s pretty soon, so yeah. Goodbye, and be sure to visit me next time here on I Love 1994. Be here with more adventures of video blogging, dubbing and comedy and video options like this, and news and stuff and fun with I Love 1994. And it's me. So see you later. Turn off the bathroom light here.